Hi everyone, Dr. Amanda Zariello from Restore Physical Therapy in Cranston, and today I'm going to talk to you about why your muscles are the most important organ in your body to help you live a longer and stronger life. And here's why. I like to consider the muscle as a survival organ. So our muscular system and our muscles in our body, they have lots of functions. As a physical therapist, we teach our patients that they are used to help us move and to create force and to function and to do whatever it is that we want to do in our life. But our muscular system has a lot of other benefits, and when we work our muscles, they promote overall health. An interesting statistic is that people with improved muscle strength and muscle mass have a 40% decrease in all-cause mortality, which is basically you're reducing your risk of dying from anything at all when you have good muscle strength. And so if we want to think about how we want to live when we are 70, 80, and 90, we want to think about how we're training for that life now, because unfortunately every decade after the age of 30 we start to lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle mass. And in women, it is even more, especially when we go through menopause and we reduce the amount, we have less estrogen and things like that in our body. That plays a role in muscle loss and osteoporosis and sarcopenia, which is muscle loss. Sarcopenia is muscle loss. It's a fancy word for that. So why that's important is we want to build muscle strength and mass, and there are two different things. I like to think about muscle mass is basically like the bank account. It's the reserve that we're going to tap into later, and strength is how we're going to spend that. So strength is the force that we can create with muscle mass, but muscle mass is actually how big your muscle is. And your muscles not just help you move, but they play a role in how you metabolize food. They help you regulate your blood sugar. They play a role in your cognitive health. They protect your joints. And when you have resilience and strength in your muscular system, that will help you with resiliency. So there is a correlation between improved immune function, being able to recover from injuries faster when you have strength, and just basically manage stressful situations to the body when you have muscular strength. So how do you strengthen your muscles, and what do you need to do to create more muscle mass in your body? Resistance, so weight training, resistance training is very important to building muscle and strength. But when it comes to muscle mass, you need to hypertrophy your muscle. You need to actually get to that close point of failure. You don't need to go to failure every time. That increases your risk of injury, but close to failure where you're having a difficult time lifting that weight to those last reps. That's how you grow. Sleep is very important, because if you are not sleeping through the night, that's when your muscle actually grows. So if you did a great workout and you had poor night's sleep, your muscles are not as likely to grow. And then the third component is eating protein. So we need to eat the protein. That's what our muscles require to grow and to fuel and to replenish, to build muscle mass. So why this is important is because if you are someone in your 40s or 50s who are really thinking about how you want to age and what you want to be able to do when you're 80 and 90, but you have pain or injuries and you're not sure how to strengthen and how to exercise confidently while dealing with these injuries, that's where Restore Physical Therapy can help you. So we can help you navigate your pain and your injury while also teaching you how to exercise safely so you can live a more vital, freer, more confident life when you're aging to your 90s and hopefully 100. Thank you, Dr. Amanda Zariello, Restore Physical Therapy in Cranston.